So what is the OAuth device code flow and how does it work and why is it useful? So this flow is useful if you have devices that are input constrained. So that means it's like hard to, or they don't have like a proper user interface, or it's hard to enter things. For example, like with an Android TV or with an Apple TV. And the idea here is that you first make a call to the authorization server and you say, hey man, I want to sign someone in, right? So previously you download the app. For the sake of consistency, let's assume this diagrams.net application also has an Android TV application. Okay, let's just imagine you download it and now you started the login process. So you make this request to the server and then the server returns you a couple of things. So for one, it returns you like some URL the user should go to. So this is called the verification URI. It returns the user code. So this is a very short code that the user should enter. Not too long because you don't want the user to enter too many characters. A device code. So this is like a longer code, like with more entropy basically. Like an interval at which the device should poll and when the device should stop polling. And then you start polling. Like the Android TV starts polling the authorization server. Now, at first, this might be a little bit weird because, I mean, polling is not that great, right? But on the flip side, like, how else do you want to solve it, right? If you don't have a proper input here, how else do you want to solve it? So yeah, you're basically polling over here. Cool. And in the meantime, or what happens in parallel, like while you're polling here, the user takes like some device, for example, a phone, goes to the URL, and then needs to enter like username and password, maybe do like multi-factor authentication, and then enter the code that the device is showing. So on the TV, you see enter code 547, whatever. And then if you click OK, submit, then you see again like the scopes that are requested. So saying like, do you want to allow this device to access this and this and this? And if you then say yes, then your device, like the second device that you're using, is making a request to the authorization server and says, hey, look, the process is complete. And the next time, like you're polling, you actually get back like an access token and usually like a refresh token, because let's be honest, it's a pretty cumbersome process. Yeah, so that's how this flow works. Let me know in the comments whether this makes sense, whether it was a good explanation. Also, if you have any other question, let me know in the comments below as well. You can also reach out to me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is @productioncoder. So thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.